Hi, Logan here for VacBin, and today we're going to be unboxing and taking a first look at the Hoover SmartWash Pet Complete. The SmartWash Pet Complete is the updated 2019-2020 version of the Hoover SmartWash. The Pet Complete you can tell because it is purple as opposed to the regular SmartWash, which is blue. And with that, let's jump in. I got this off of Amazon for around $2.99 at the time of recording, which is why it's in a plain brown box. If you buy this in a retail store, the box is going to be a little bit more colorful. But at the end of the day, it's the exact same stuff inside the box. So with that, let's get to it. Gonna open up the tape here. And first thing we see, outside of a little mess of styrofoam, we've got our user manual. We have a solution guide / coupon. We have one of the attachments, the upholstery tool. We've got 2 trial size bottles of cleaning formula. This one is the Paws and Claws Deep Clean and Neutralize formula. And this is the spot chaser for the pre-treating wand, which I will show you in a moment. Next up, we have our fresh water tank. And we're going to lift this piece of styrofoam out. This styrofoam has really got shredded on shipping. We have the pre-treater wand. We've got a bag with the hose. And last but not least, we have the unit itself, though it does seem to be a little jammed in there. And here we go. Alright, let me put the styrofoam off to the side and let's put this thing together. Shouldn't take too long. First things first, we're going to take the main piece here out of the bag. Get that bag all the way off. Toss it over there. So up front we have our dirty water recovery tank. We have cord. We have our, we upgraded the bristles on the pet edition here. You can see the purple bristles. Let's get this water tank on. And then last things last, let's get the pre-treater wand on top. Alright, and there you go. Very easy unboxing and assembly. This looks like a fantastic cleaner, and I look forward to giving you guys some review videos coming soon. So it's been Logan here for VacBin. This is the Hoover SmartWash Pet Complete Carpet Cleaner. Thanks for watching.